the gym. Even though it's like already past 8 o'clock, I wanted to get up earlier, but it's okay. We're working on getting up earlier. We made it to the gym. We're gonna get a great workout in and have a great day today. Let's go.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a mood body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing.
We are leaving the gym. I am so freaking happy I came. I'm so excited. I'm feeling good. I got my endorphins going, got some sweat going. You know what? I did not want to get up early this morning at all, and I'm so glad I did. There's never been a time where I came to the gym and I'm like, I really wish I shouldn't have came, because every time that I come here, even if it's just like a light session, I feel so amazing and I feel so accomplished. Think about that feeling when you're really debating on going, especially if this was something that you already planned like the night before. I had bought some turkey sausage, so I think I'm gonna go home, make some breakfast, maybe some eggs, turkey sausage. I think I might have found my favorite stock cold brew that I've ever had. I've had the blonde roast and the dark roast, and don't get me wrong, they're pretty good, they're good, but they're not my favorite. I almost hesitated on buying this one because of my expectations, I guess I should say. I am so glad that I did. This is by far the best one. This is the espresso blend stock cold brew coffee, and it looks like this. I got it at Target yesterday. It really tastes like hints and notes of caramel, but it's unsweetened. It's still black, still unsweetened, but you can kind of taste like that. It's like black coffee with the caramel, a little bit of a caramel taste. So freaking good. I was looking for the milligrams of caffeine. Okay, so if you are looking and you're interested in the milligrams of caffeine, it has approximately 195 milligrams of caffeine per 12 fluid ounces. Okay, so don't say that I didn't warn you. Definitely watch yourself when you're drinking this one, because it is high in caffeine, but that's to be expected with cold brew. I've been using this zero sugar caramel macchiato Starbucks creamer again. I keep coming back to this one, honestly, because every other zero sugar creamer that I purchase, it's just not that good. And I really want to be better with my creamer, although I'm not the kind of girl who like drowns her coffee in creamer, because I like to taste my coffee. But you know what, to each their own. If you drink creamer with a little bit of coffee, you do you, boo, you do you. This is just the way I like to drink it, and I haven't found any other ones that I like. So if you have any recommendations for like a zero sugar creamer, let me know. Because yes, I can use like almond milk because it's technically zero sugar, or like half and half. But I want a taste of something, all right? I want to enjoy my coffee. So I keep going back to this one. Ready? You ready to go for a walk? Okay, come on. Ready? I don't think I had a chance to tell you guys, right, about the book that I just got, my Jay Shetty book. I don't think so. So we're gonna talk about it, and if I already told you, I'm sorry. But it's the new Jay Shetty book. It's called 8 Rules of Love: How to Find It, How to Keep It, and How to Let Go. And I know I'm in a committed relationship, but I think it's really important to know how you like to be loved, how other people like to be loved, how to understand other people, how to treat other people, how to treat yourself, how to treat both of you guys together. It's It's this whole thing, and I feel like I could really learn something from Jay Shetty always, so I really wanted to pick this book up. But not only that, the very first like intro to the book really got me intrigued. Let me show you why. And I'm talking about the very first page. So it says, nobody sits us down and teaches us how to love. So we're often thrown into relationships with nothing but romantic movies and pop culture to help us muddle through until now. This is true. Where do we pick up our how to love? I think a lot of that comes from maybe your parents, because your parents, you see that type of love in your home and you kind of think this is how love should be. Whether they have a good relationship or not, you can tend to pick up those things and bring it onto your adulthood. However, I think it is important for us to really know how to love other people, how to be loved, how to love yourself, how to love together. There is so much to learn. I'm an open book. I love to learn about things like that. I love to learn about other people. So I'm really excited to read it. Seems like people are giving up on relationships or marriages fairly quickly, and they might be basing off relationships from social media or movies, just exactly how the book says, and it's really not realistic. Like, everybody's relationship is a little bit different. If you're looking for a movie theme on your relationship, I mean, I don't know, maybe it is a real thing, but I think having a good and great relationship is what you should be really striving for, just working together as a team and compromising a lot, because that's really what a relationship is all about. And I'm not saying that you should be staying in an abusive relationship or toxic relationship because you need to work it out and stop giving up so quickly. That's absolutely not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, if there's an inconvenience here or there and you guys argue about something small, it's better to work through these things so it doesn't become this big thing, or you just hold it up until you can't anymore and then you pop. That's not what we should be doing, and I think this book is really going to help with that. I made a list this morning of exactly what I wanted to film today and a to-do list just to hold me accountable for my productive morning vlog. I'm not going to say this is a routine because that can really change, but I have gotten a lot done so far, so I'm going to start checking it off. So we got the gym done, breakfast done, coffee done, walk with Bella, read a little bit. I need to clean the stove, wash the dishes. I did refill my water, but I'm gonna drink more of it right now. I need to put in a load of laundry in, and I wrote down YouTube video ideas. I wrote down a few YouTube ideas, so I'm really trying to get on a schedule and a routine. So it looks like I still gotta clean the stove, get the dishes, and a load of laundry, and then I get to shower and get ready for the day.
You were there having dinner.
That is, and I look to quantify a number of businesses I've built up. You have a lot of good, then it looks like there's not much you can do. So you wind up with
Times brings that you weren't there, but you say,
come up to me and say, I drank all 3 cups and I ate the tea bags. Just call in and noticed it instantly.
We're pretty much done with our to-do list. It's been a very productive morning today, and I mean very productive morning today, okay? We are proud of ourselves today. We are. And I hope this video really inspires you to be productive. Being productive makes me feel so accomplished, makes me feel so good. But we got the gym done, breakfast done, coffee done, we walked Bella, we read a little bit, clean the stove and wash the dishes. I really need to use my dishwasher a lot more, but Bella is like scared of it. I think she's scared of the fact that it opens up and then it like lets out steam, and the fact that it opens up on its own. I think she's freaked out about that, because the moment I start loading my dishwasher, she freaks out. She totally freaks out. She gets anxiety attacks. She starts shaking the whole entire time that the dishwasher is going, and then some, because she's afraid of the time that it's gonna open up. Maybe she'll get over her fear, because I need to use the dishwasher. I am so tired of like I mean, I love hand washing too, but like my hands are so extremely dry from washing my hands already. I gotta start using my dishwasher more. So glad that everything is nice and clean. Been drinking my water. I'm really trying to drink my water. Finally showered. That was my last thing on my to-do list, so everything gets checked off. I'm feeling good, feeling accomplished, productive. I hope that I was able to give you some inspiration on being productive for today. But yeah, I'm gonna let my hair air dry. Might go to Trader Joe's to pick up a couple snacks and then maybe watch a good show and try to chill out for the rest of the day. Since I already was productive all day, I can just enjoy the rest of my day and then figure out something for lunch. I'll probably grab something at Trader Joe's and then maybe make some dinner later. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. I'm really happy. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for me. It would really help me out. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers and I'm really proud of how far I've come so far. So we're really trying to get to 500 subscribers. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys on the next one.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.